guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a really long time since I've last posted a video, but I'm back today with a desk makeover. Here is my current setup. I did get a few new things for my desk, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I got, and you can also see here that the cable management situation is a mess, so we're also going to be fixing that today. First things first, I'm going to get rid of my chair. I've had this chair for about 2 years and it is a really nice comfortable chair, but I did end up finding a better one. So I've had it for like 2 years, as I've mentioned, and it's definitely time for an upgrade, especially given the fact that my current chair has a lot of paint stains on it. So I wanted something clean and nice. So here you can see that I am clearing up my desk. I'm going to remove everything that I can so I can clean it properly. I thought my desk was very clean until I wiped it down, and I was like really shocked. So I had to wipe it down twice to make sure that everything was all dust free and clean. I completely forgot to mention my desk is from Branch Furniture. I'll have a link for it in the description box. The desk shelf here that you see is from Grove Made. I believe they have changed the design since then, but I will have a link for that as well in the description box. Now it is time to assemble all of the new things that I got. The first thing we have here is this new ergonomic office chair from Sihu. I will have this linked below as well. So now let's talk about the chair itself. The color that I got is in white. Now this chair is definitely the more affordable options. If you look at ergonomic chairs, it's probably the cheapest one I've seen, and it is actually really good quality. It has lumbar support, and if you're someone like me who sits at their desk for an extended amount of time, it is really good for your posture. It's also very adjustable, so you can adjust the headrest, the armrests, and overall it is really good quality. Here you can see that I'm assembling the chair. It was very easy and straightforward. I think it took me about 45 minutes. In all fairness, I did mess up a few steps because I didn't bother reading the instructions, so that is completely on me, but it was very easy to assemble, and overall I definitely think this is a very nice chair for the price point. The chair is all done. Now we are going to be assembling my new keyboard together. This is the glorious GMMK Pro in the color black. Now I will be customizing the entire keyboard with you guys today and showing you guys what I got. Like I said, we will be customizing this keyboard together. So the first thing I'm going to do is unscrew the top frame, and I'm going to take it off and replace it with a white colored top frame instead. Glorious Gaming does also have different colors of frames you can choose from. I decided to do white. I'm screwing in the top frame now, and then we are going to go ahead and start putting in the switches. I got the Panda switches. I'll have a link for this down below as well. Actually, I will have the link for everything in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and insert all of the switches. Now to put in the keycaps. These are the grapefruit keycaps. I love this color palette so much. It fits my aesthetic perfectly. I'm just obsessed with this combination. It is perfection. I did also get the GMMK numpad. Now we also have to match this with the keyboard, so that is what I'm doing now. I'm just removing all the keycaps. I'm also going to remove the switches. Go ahead, change the top frame, put in the new switches, and then the keycaps. I love these keyboards so much. The fact that you can customize pretty much everything and anything is really amazing. So if this isn't your aesthetic, you can pick something completely different and change it to whatever you like. I will have the link for everything in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I've built everything that I needed to build. Now to unbox the new things that I got. So first things first, we have a new mouse. This is from Logitech. It is the MX Master 35. It matches perfectly with my new keyboard, so that is amazing. I also bought a few new things from Amazon. I finally bought a desk mat. I don't know why I didn't have one for the longest time. So I got this one in a really pretty beige color. Then I got this Kirby Nintendo Switch cover. I want to customize my Nintendo Switch and I will be showing you guys how I did that. So I got a cover and then I also got some new Joy-Cons. These are in a white color, and then I also got little, what do you call them? Grips. You call them grips. I'm placing my new desk mat, and now we are going to customize my Nintendo Switch together. I previously had this Animal Crossing cover on my Switch, so I'm going to remove that and put on the Kirby one. Here are my new Joy-Cons in a white color. I previously had the neon ones, which I don't really feel go with the aesthetic. I'm going to pop on the little Kirby grips. I was visiting New York last month and I got this little Eevee from the Nintendo store as a little souvenir. We have a new Kirby mug, and then lastly I bought a Kirby amiibo for my desk. Now I'm going to start putting everything together. Here's the new keyboard, which I'm going to connect to my computer. I'm putting back everything in its place, so I'm putting my lamp, my Nintendo Switch, and all of the other things that I got. I definitely haven't forgotten about the messy cable management situation. So I got this from Amazon and it's really helpful in hiding all of the wires and making everything look all tidy. It's super low effort. I just popped it under my desk, put the extension on top, and just hid all of the wires. It's so nice. Like I don't know why I didn't get this before. Here is my desk after the makeover. As you can tell, I went with a full-blown Kirby theme. I am obsessed with Kirby. If you watch my videos, you probably already know that. The pink just makes me so happy. And yeah, I really love it. This is my aesthetic. It might not be everyone else's aesthetic, but I love this and it makes me so happy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one.